Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to set up the TradingView app. First, download the official TradingView application from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and either create a new account or log in with existing credentials. After logging in, you will land on the main dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and initial settings to begin your trading journey. Now let's personalize your workspace. Begin by adding your favorite stocks, cryptocurrencies, or other financial instruments to your watch list for quick access. Next, tap on a chart to open it and explore the customization options. You can change chart types, like from candlesticks to line charts, and adjust timeframes from 1 minute to 1 day. Don't forget to apply technical indicators such as moving averages or RSI to enhance your analysis. Moving on to some advanced features that can significantly improve your trading experience. You can set up custom price alerts to notify you when an asset reaches a specific level, ensuring you never miss a potential opportunity. Explore the drawing tools to mark support and resistance levels or identify chart patterns. For seamless execution, consider connecting your brokerage account directly to the TradingView app, allowing you to trade with ease. Finally, let's talk about leveraging the community and resources available. TradingView offers a vibrant community where you can share ideas, learn from others, and discover new strategies. Explore the extensive educational materials and trading ideas published by experienced users to deepen your understanding of the markets. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to keep learning on the go, enhancing your trading knowledge wherever you are.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.